This 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, smoke detector, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is 5,795 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.